Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw inspection contingency funds via Zillow Premier Agent, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin withdrawing inspection contingency funds via Zillow Premier Agent, start by logging into your Zillow Premier Agent account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Transactions tab on the main menu. Click on the Transactions tab to view all your ongoing and completed transactions. Find the specific transaction related to the inspection contingency funds you wish to withdraw. Click on that transaction to open the details. Within the transaction details, locate the section titled Contingencies. Click on Contingencies to view the current status of your inspection funds. If the inspection contingency has been satisfied, a prompt to withdraw funds will appear. Click on the Withdraw Funds option. You will then be directed to a form where you can enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Fill in the required fields, ensuring all information is accurate. Make sure to select the appropriate payment method for the withdrawal. Once all details are completed, review the information before proceeding. Click the Submit button to finalize your request. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal request has been processed. Check your email for updates on the status of your withdrawal. If there are any issues or questions, contact Zillow support for assistance. Wait for the funds to appear in your chosen payment method within the specified timeframe. Monitor your account to ensure the transfer is completed successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.